Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Iman Ismail from Al Salt bin Malik Private School, Head of Math Department and teacher for grade 10. Today we have topic 7, matrices and transformations. We will start with chapter 34, transformations. The following figures show the 4 types of transformations: translation, reflection, rotation, and enlargement. In reflection, we will reflect or flip a shape over a line of symmetry or mirror line. The dashed line is the symmetry line or the mirror line, and the name of this dashed line is x equals to 2. And you notice that the two triangles have the same distance from the symmetry line, and they have the same size exactly. We are always use tracing paper for translation, reflection, and rotation. In rotation, when we rotate a shape, we turn it a certain number of degrees around a fixed point. When describing a rotation, we need to describe the center of rotation, the angle of rotation, and the direction of rotation. Here we have an example of rotation. We will rotate the triangle on the upper side according to the information given on the right side. We will rotate the triangle 90 degrees clockwise about the center to -1. We will mention here the point to -1, put dot on the place, then we will cover it with tracing paper. So, draw the upper triangle on the tracing paper, then press your pen on the dot and turn the paper 90 degrees clockwise in order to get the position of the new triangle. In translation, we translate a shape by moving it up or down or from side to side, but its appearance does not change in any other way. When we translate a shape, each of the vertices must be moved in exactly the same way. Every translation has translation vector, which gives the direction in which the shape is moved. Here we have an example of translation. We will translate the shape on the lower side according to the vector given. The vector is 3, 4. Both of them are positive, so we will move right and up. We will move 3 steps to the right and 4 steps up. So we will get the new shape on the top. For enlargement, we are describing enlargement. We must state the scale factor and the center of enlargement. Here we have an example of enlargement. We must state the scale factor and the center of enlargement. The scale factor here is 3 and the center of enlargement is 0.7. First we put dots on the position of 0.7. Then we will count the distance between the center of enlargement and the vertices of the small triangle. Then we multiply the distance by 3 because the scale factor is 3. So we will put the dots on the grid for the new position, then we will join them to get the new triangle. Thanks for watching and listening. This is Miss Iman Ismail from Al Salt bin Malik Private School.